Mommy, Yakub go for Adam ní candy.
Mommy can buy Yoruba.
Mi gbọ́.
Mommy can buy Yoruba.
Èdè wo ló wáyé kí dáàdì sọ sí mọ́mì?
English.
Oh, tó bá yẹ pọ̀ ló bá fẹ́ sọ fún mọ́mì ńkọ́?
Papasco.
Tó bá wá délé ẹ̀kọ́ yín ńkọ́?
Papasco.
Yakub, why don't you give Adam candy?
Three other cafe.
Adam kò fẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n English ni mo fi kọ́kọ́ dá mi lóhùn. Yakub, why don't you give Adam candy?
Because Adam doesn't want. I want you candy.
Wow, he doesn't want.
I want you candy.
You want candy?
Yes.
Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ó sọ pé òun fẹ́ candy o. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Yoruba Pikin. And remember to hit the notification bell to enjoy more of our videos. Thanks for watching.
Ọmọ Yorùbá lèmi o.